town council was here tonight. Tom Egan, Walter Bonanno, and Wade Mills judging 3 categories. And we're going to present the winners of those categories right now, before the races start, and before dinner, and then dinner's going to go on here. So, we're going to hold up your card. If you recognize it, you need to come up here. So we have the prettiest. Does everybody remember your number? Number 31 is the prettiest.
The camper.
31.
The camper.
The camper.
Here we go. Camper canoe. Come on up. Okay, Matt. We're going to have a few words from him. He's going to tell us where he is in his game and what inspired him to make this happen.
Hello, my name is Matt. I'm a scouter. I have a lot of time on my hands and I make cars. I'm thinking about maybe working at the North Pole. Help out Santa Claus, but that's all I got to say. Have a good night.
Manliest. I got it. Okay, here we go. Number 5. Now I'll give you a little bit of history on this one. This guy I've been bugging all week to find out how he's doing and what he's doing with this one. And I tried to bribe his daughter. And he had it locked in the safe in the house. No one could see it. And he wouldn't tell anybody. So, here we go. Same thing. Take a picture, then come up and tell us what happened here.
Go ahead. Okay.
What up, Steve? Name, where you're from?
My name's Steve Arnold from Shelburne. As anything I do, it went from a simple project to about 12 hours. So, thanks, Steve.
What's that? Oh, sorry. Go that way. Go that way. It's the fiddle. Who took the time to do the fiddle? You took the time to do the fiddle.
Of course.
Wow.
Okay, I'm Linda.